What's going on, bro? It's David here, and in this video, I'm gonna show you 5 things you can do to make yourself instantly more attractive so you get more attention from girls and more respect from other men. Let's get started! Alright, I'm not gonna waste your time. Let's get right into it. Number 1 is to rock the stubble. It's time to end the age-old debate whether women prefer guys with beards or guys who are clean-shaven. They've actually done a study on this, and it showed conclusively that women perceive men with stubble as more attractive than men who are completely clean-shaven or have beards. And this is awesome because it allows you to get that rough, masculine look that really brings out your jawline without all the hassle of having to maintain a full beard. So here's what I do. I only shave once per week, but then every single day in between that, I make sure to shave my neck hairs below this crease here so you don't have that gross neck beard going on. And I just did my weekly shave this morning, so that's why my stubble game's kind of weak right now. Which brings me to the sponsor of today's video, Dollar Shave Club. I would not be talking about this if I did not absolutely believe in it. Here's how it works. You pay them just $5 and they send you this package that comes with this awesome handle, 4 dope razor blades, and it even comes with some extra goodies like this shave butter, which low-key might be the best part. I tend to cut my neck all the time, but with this blade and this shave butter, I didn't even nick it once today. Did I mention you get all of this for just $5? Do you know what other companies charge for good? What? Over $20 for only 4 cartridges? What the fuck? I'm telling you, this is the real deal. Use my special link in the description to take advantage of this limited time offer. All right, number 2 is black on black. And basically what I mean here is that you want to wear a lot of black clothing. On one hand, this is gonna create the illusion that you're slimmer and you're taller than you actually are. And on the other hand, you just look like kind of a badass when you wear a lot of black. Now, your entire wardrobe does not need to be black. Personally, I like to mix in subdued colors like white or gray or military green or tan, for example. But by keeping your overall colors pretty basic, it's gonna make it very easy for you to always be able to mix and match outfits that look good. Plus, when you keep it basic like this, it's gonna make you look more intelligent, because when people wear bright ass colors like red or something like that, other people perceive that as kind of juvenile and immature. And if you're looking for some inspiration, make sure you follow me on Instagram, because I post dope outfit ideas on there every single week. Workout complete, and obviously building a lean, muscular body is a big part of becoming more attractive. Now, I'm not gonna make this video about that, but I do have a free online course that shows you the fastest way to achieve the specific body type that women have been proven in scientific studies to desire the most. If you wanna get access to that now, just click the I in the top right corner or the link in the description. That being said, number 3 is to welcome danger. So this morning I was reading a study that showed that women find men who partake in risky or dangerous hobbies to be a lot more attractive than guys who are always playing it safe. So for example, downhill mountain biking or martial arts or parkour even. And the way I see it, there's 2 main reasons that this is true. First of all, if you're a guy who does more dangerous things, you're just gonna be more confident by default. You know, it's gonna be a lot easier for you to take the risk of asking a girl out and getting rejected. And the second reason I think this is true is a biological one, and that is that our ancestors in the caveman times, the dudes who were taking risks and being hunter-gatherers, those were the guys who were the alpha males of the society and who were getting all of the attention. So pick up a dangerous hobby, bro. Personally, I prefer Muay Thai. That's a martial art. And if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you click subscribe and turn notifications on, because I release videos just like this every Monday and every Thursday, and you don't want to miss them. the post-workout gains have been devoured. Number 3 is to be more aggressive. Men who are more aggressive and who go after what they want are always going to be perceived as more confident, more powerful, and more attractive than men who do not. If there's a girl who you like, then go ahead and ask her if she wants to hang out sometime. If you are looking to get a promotion in your job, then ask your boss already. Always err on the side of being more aggressive. You have to realize that other people instantly recognize people who go after what they want as leaders. And this means other men are gonna respect you more, and this also means girls are gonna find you a lot more attractive. And even if you get rejected or you fail when you're going after what you want, at least now you're gonna know that that girl doesn't like you and you can move on with your life, or at least you're gonna know what you need to do exactly in order to get that promotion. Trying to simultaneously fly a drone and play catch with your dog is a lot harder than it looks. Anyway, the 5th and final point I got for you is the basics. If you're trying to look as attractive as possible, there's a few basic things that you absolutely must take care of. Get a stylish haircut. I know mine's looking shaggy from the workout today. All you need to do is Google trendy haircuts 2018 and you'll get some good results. Just make sure to bring a photo with you to the barber. Next, make sure that you throw out any clothes you own that don't fit you well. And basically, you want your clothes to fit you nice and slim and tailored without looking like you're wearing a size that's too small for you. You need to make sure you're taking care of your basic grooming. If you have nose hairs growing out of your nose, trim them. Make sure that you shower every day and wear deodorant. Make sure you keep your fingernails nice and trimmed. I swear, this grooming stuff is so simple, but if you don't do it, you're straight up gonna gross girls out. If you're on the shorter side, make sure you wear shoes that have at least a little bit of a sole on them to give yourself an extra inch. Anyway, this rant is done. I gotta take this guy back to the crib, but those are 5 things you can do to make yourself a more attractive man. And I want to finish this video with a question for my true members of Beast Nation. You've probably noticed for the last 5 or 6 videos, I've been sprinkling the edits with music and cool footage throughout the video as opposed to having one long one in the middle. So let me know if you like this new style. I think it allows me to be more creative, but I want to hear your opinion. And that's the end of the video. If you made it all the way to the end, then what are you doing, bro? Make sure you click subscribe and you give it a thumbs up. I will talk to you in the next video. If I don't talk to you in the next video, I'm gonna be mad, bro. Stay beastly!